from jobsai.pro/job search. This is the world's first job seeker powered by DeepSeek AI that can enable job seekers to find suitable employment at any location available around the globe. So what you do is you would select a resume here, and the AI system will automatically parse the resume and retrieve appropriate listings for the credentials within that resume and the geographical location from the resume across a variety of job posting locations. It will do a web-wide search across not just typical employment posting roles, but also into job boards like Indeed, LinkedIn, but it will also do the company specific job postings. The AI will be looking for specific keywords within the job posting, as well as the sentiment analysis of the background and education and experience that you bring to the table in your resume as well. Now, what we're currently on is the all tab. So this is all jobs that are found through the web crawling algorithm. But we also have the ability to detail the best match ones by clicking this icon in the middle. And the best match will show you what jobs are specifically aligned with your background and your experiences. And again, it goes through the variety of the job posting boards to reduce the friction that the job seekers would have. So you can see here that there's one for a business analyst in Calgary. The location is determined by the resume itself, but you can override it here by changing and specifying a different location. If you were going to move to America or to London or somewhere else, you would be able to specify a separate job and a separate location. And it will give you a scoring as to why this particular role was aligned with what you were doing. And it will explain to you in plain text why you were selected for this role and why the system believes that you are a good match for the requirements that the employer has listed. And you can go through here and you can say, right, that his location is in Toronto based on his resume, but the job's location in Calgary could present a challenge. So that's why this candidate was ranked at a 70% match rather than a higher. But we also have other ways as well that we can tailor our resume for this position. So we can take the incoming resume and the language from the job posting and create a tailored resume for this position that will include those keywords for the applicant tracking system to address some of the challenges within the job posting world where they want to have the same language from their job posting reflected back in the application resume. And this can be a significant investment of time if you're doing a custom tailored resume for every position that you apply for. But with our system, you can do it in seconds. So here is your tailored resume, and you can copy, you can download as a Word doc file. You can submit this straight through, and this would be exactly tailored to the ATS system. And then we can also do a generated cover letter. I have seen certain statistics where it's up to 40% of job applicants will abandon a job application if an employer demands a cover letter. And that doesn't help anybody. But again, you can generate a detailed, customized cover letter in seconds with one click that you'd be able to attach to the application to further your chances. And then you have the ability to generate interview questions based on the content of the job application. And then we also have an apply for me, where the AI system will be doing the actual submission of the application. So it would bring you to a create your job profile, and then you would be able to allow the system to submit applications on your behalf autonomously. Now, if we close out of that, we also have the ability to show which roles are less likely for specific candidates and why. So if you were missing a particular skill set that is a requirement of the role, this one will show you that these are the applications that you might not want to invest your time and effort into tailoring a specific resume, researching contacts within the organization, because you have a mismatch between your skills and background and what they're looking for specifically for the role. And you can see that it goes through a variety of different rankings as to why. And it will also show you why you are a 60% match for certain ones, right? There's a good match between educational background, but it does not mention anything about oil and gas and financial accounting. So we've developed this system to help job seekers find roles quickly and to be able to overcome some of the frustrations and the frictions within the job search process. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to our team. We'd be happy to schedule an in-depth demo as to what our platform can bring to you. Thank you very much for your time.